Hello friends! Today we're folding a cute little penguin. Grab a small square of origami paper. Turn it like a diamond, then fold it across and down and open it up again. Now take the top corner and fold it down to the center. Open it up, then fold that part in half like this. See the triangle? Let's fold it one more time. Unfold, I'll show you again. Flip the paper over. Fold both sides in so they meet at the center line. Just like this. Now take this corner and fold it into the center. See how that looks? Flip the paper again. Fold the side corners in to meet the middle one side. Then the other. Fold the bottom corner up to here. Let's fold this part like this. See the shape? That makes one of the penguin's little flippers. Now fold the other side the same way. Flip it over, it's looking good. Now fold this part in just a little. And do the same on the other side. Time for the head. Let's fold the top corners just a tiny bit, 1 and 2. Flip it over. Now color in a little yellow bead. Add some cute eyes and shy cheeks. And your penguin is all done. You can even make a whole penguin family. How cute they are! If you liked folding with Bee today, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.